Today, I will show you how to convert video to any format. You have to follow my steps. First, click the download link in description. Download the software. I already downloaded. Now double-click and install the software. Now select the video you want to convert. Select format. I will select MP3. Click Convert now. It will convert. You can see it's convert very fast. Let's select MP4 for keypad mobiles. You can see its work very fast. If you like the video, do subscribe.